anong dahilan at ikaw ay sumali sa last edition ng Queen Philippines?
I don't know why, but I did anyway. Thinking about it, I think for the longest time, katulad ng sinagot ko, that's why I was so touched. I've been inspiring some girls to do the best that they can at saka galingan talaga nila. Yet, habang nag-i-inspire ako mismo hindi ako na-inspire sa sarili ko. So I think yun yung isa sa main reasons. But I still don't know talaga kung bakit.
There's no reason, hindi mo rin alam kung bakit. Pero sa celebrity already, there's nothing to prove, diba sabi nila?
Well, Rufa Gutierrez was a celebrity when she competed Binibining Pilipinas and Miss World.
Ano ang intensity ng pressure na nasa iyo? Kasi everybody at nakatutok mga mata sa'yo.
Mas pressure ako kasi most of them, or maybe some of the judges knows me. So, mas pressure ako na galingan because everyday nakikita naman nila ako posting ko sa social media. So, doon lang ako sa part na pressure na kailangan magbigay ako ng something that they haven't seen of me before.
Mga anak-anakan mo, tinuring kang idol. Bakit hindi competing with you?
Actually, sabi ko nga dun sa post ko, something I'm not insecure because I'm never insecure. At saka happy ako that they look up to me and they respect me and nakakataman ko talaga yun. And I'm really a fan of beautiful people, beautiful girls, beautiful people. Fan talaga ako ng ganyan. Kaya kapag nakikita ko talaga sila, ay, ang ganda, I love you.
What are we gonna be expecting? Kasi kailangan may bago, may pasabog mula kay Princess Garcia. What is it that we'll be expecting for you?
Miss Universe can film festival level.
Sabi nga nila, hindi na ito panatulan. This is the worldwide queen of trans pageantry.
This is my show.
Sabi nga, diba, you are putting a good show sa Queen Philippines dahil sa'yo, mas lalo pang inaabangan.
No, I beg to disagree. Hindi lang siya dahil sa akin because of everyone. At saka knowing the Cebuanas and the girls from Mindanao, especially syempre yung mga girls from Luzon, sobrang magaganda din talaga. At saka lahat naman performers.
That is given. That is given that everyone is so beautiful. Talaga mo from Mindanao, Luzon, and Visayas. But including you on the list, ay lalo pang kumingay at lumusok ang Queen Philippines.
I don't know. I'll try my very best na makapagpaingay pa. Personally.
They're manifesting, we'll be waiting for you to get the ultimate crown.
I am the ultimate and the stars will align.
Invite everyone to the Queen Philippines on August 10.
And so, I'm inviting everyone to please, if you cannot, come to Cebu for the finale. Please don't forget na every time na mag-post kayo regarding Queen Philippines, don't forget to use our hashtag, Queen Philippines 2024, and that will be on August 10th.